Big up David, one rose alone, one rose now work, David. Remember say you slew Goliath. That me I talk about you. I'm some people who now work I get. So why not? Hello? People just sit down every day, lie down every day. Come on, I need 5,000 black guys. You man, if you send that lion emoji there one more time, remember me told you. Oh, because I got a 3-bedroom house and that's on the boy! Come guys, 5,000 black, me need. Come. Where the gifters? Come. Me need what them say? Every shooter, what them say? Oh it go. Every gifter, me don't know how it go. Shani B, big up. One rose alone. Nick all you girl. Yeah, me need 5,000 black. Me need someone for AA for bill. Yeah, join the fan club, yeah. I'm at work. Wagwan, Sean, thank you, my baby, yeah. No, you're gonna send me a lion emoji. All them disrespectful something there. My friend just block it for that. All them something me talk about.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story ain't complete. It made it upon the beating, as you can see on the screen. Yup, people, there's a whole lot going on in this one. As you know, all them gone with Annie them, Pitney them. You see me, I say, I put that on the Mix-Up and Things channel. But as you can see, Miss Kitty is back at it again on the trending topics. And you know, she's belittling ghetto people. You know what I mean? Basically saying they're beggars. You feel me? How typically uptown people view the public sector. You see me, I say, and I know a lot of them is going to agree with her. I just want to put some numbers in front of you. Is it best to work for $1, $3 US an hour, wiping some foreigners' bottom, or cleaning their toilet, or you see, when in a hotel, or better to be on TikTok giving out content? Because we have to say, people, this is content. We can't say the people that is begging, they're giving you fresh content. Because I want to go over to America and watch the Christian Wax and the Kim Kardashians and the Love and Hip Hop. You know what I mean? And this is Jamaican versions. It's what I'm saying. It's a way of ghetto people. I've seen them way out of, you know, the struggle. Put in the comment section what you think about that. I don't really want to go into that. But just they want for sure know what the numbers are like in Jamaica. You know what I mean? Because we know Rosealee was a peanut seller. And I'm pretty sure she did the math. She's making more money being herself on social media than selling peanuts in the streets for peanuts money. You know what I mean? I just don't like when people use their education and try to belittle the people. I've never seen Queen or Kitty using her platform into trying to help, you know, ghetto people's situation. And we don't want to talk about morality or financial help we want. But nevertheless, let's hear what she's saying and we proceed with the next.
And that may try for sure now. So when you're in need and sick and so, them people are not gonna really rally around, you know. Them have them who them want to rally around. So make sure you go start out on yourself because you can't take no ticket off of them. So the whole of over here laugh. How much people have on this? 1.4. Thank you, my dad. Shamika, thank you. Yeah. I know I want 5,000 black for true. I need to build someone for AA. For true. For true. Yeah, I want to build something for AA too. Yeah. 5,000 black can give me what? What I can make? What I can make now? Come Sunday, you are the landlady. I could know how it go. I want something for AA. Yeah, as a hard working girl, a long time I work. Yeah. I'm some people who now work I get. So why not? Hello? People just sit down every day, lie down every day. Come on, I need 5,000 black guys. You man, if you send that lion emoji there one more time, remember me told you. Oh, because I got a 3-bedroom house and that's on the boy! Come guys, 5,000 black, me need. Come. Where the gifters? Come. Me need what them say? Every shooter, what them say? Oh it go. Every gifter, me don't know how it go. Shani B, big up. One rose alone. Nick all you girl. Yeah, me need 5,000 black. Me need someone for AA for bill. Yeah, join the fan club, yeah. And give right back at that, yeah. I need 5,000 blocks. I'm just saying. Although I'm not saying a bike a show up, I'm not saying nothing really of a fuck. Yeah. Nick what that? Kitten? How much that? Our kitten bird? I don't know. Yeah, but I need 5,000 blocks for true. I want to start something for AA. I Want to start something for AA? Yeah. I see people come and just get black sun at start out. Need something. As a hardworking lady, tell the truth now. Yeah. Need something. It's like if people can't read and write. No. I want come on. Oh, bird. Yeah, bird. Thank you, darling. Thank you. Only people with extra chromosome that I work with. Come, man. I need 5,000 black guys. Come. By the way, I did say I want my mother and mommy diaries again. Thank you. Oh, God. Raider gal. Thank you. Thank you, Raider gal. No, 5,000 black. Me, I'm looking for my child. I'm looking it for my child. Yeah. Kind of over here. I carry on. Me so do I carry on. Me need it. 5,000 black me I defend. Me I look some steel too. Big up Tankwell. Good morning. Yeah. Don't you see? Yeah, watch which part my dead. Don't watch where my dead. I work, I come. I come to work. I'm looking it for AA. I'm ashamed of my game. Come. I don't miss what I want to say. You understand? Thank you very much. Big up David. One rose alone. One rose now work. David. Remember say you slew Goliath. That me I talk about unit. What I unforgive me no way. Yeah, but that person they big up. Thank you for the money gun. Come guys. 10 money gun. Come 5,000 black. Me need it. Me need to go down to the hardware. I need some appliances as well. Remember AA when I say on love her and these things. Come. What that? Yeah, as a top mother, me need something. Me I look 5,000 black. I'm looking it. I want to buy one of the chair them to sit down, you know. Yeah, one of the chair them. As well, so I'm gonna need some chicken too. You understand? Please call the MP. Call the Minister of Agriculture and Fisheries. I need something. No, I have to create a pan for AA. You understand? Yeah, no, I understand what I deal with. I start to do something of them. Yeah. Yeah. When I'm going on the castic. You understand? Yeah. I need it. 5,000 blocks. I'm looking it. Yeah, man, looking for cookie. You understand? Yeah. And some other life I talk about people who have money and yet still not for the people who not gift and I give them have money trying to still I give. So come man. 5,000 blocks I'm looking it. Balloon. Thank you. Yeah. I like it. I like it. I like it. Yes. Come on. Mr. Someone is just so gullible. Why may I tell you? Nobody no star. I guess you don't believe on want to believe still. Cause you know, it's so funny how you have the people there, you know, them keep them and I understand the psychology. And I get it. I don't blame them. Because I realize if you don't present sufferation, if you don't present poverty, if you don't present deprivation, then nobody don't gift you because oh them girl are alright, oh them girl have it. But not for the people them who not give them have it too. You don't realize, you don't catch on. Them just not change them background or them situation strategically. You don't realize that. You think of money them have, why them not do certain things? No. Because they know if you do certain things and change the profile and change something of them, you understand? And now come off as hungry, you understand? When you're not going really too, you understand? So them understand the strips, you understand? But if you don't want me to go sit up on the roadside, I need the 5,000 black them, and that may I tell you no. Me will find a garrison go sit down in and cause me and the garrison people them good. Cause I shop with them and buy them food and do the things them and you understand? Yeah. I go dance and song. Yeah, I need 5,000 blocks still. I'm not telling a lie. I'm looking for AA. Yeah. Some of them I'll throw it in on the face. Or them have money and know and can do this and move out and do that. And still. So come on. Miss Kitty is doing good in the neighborhood. So back to what I was saying. But the CB UA 5K walk. The 5K is on November 23 and it's going to be at UA. And I'm just asking all of you guys to go on Running Events JA and register. and sign up, because we are changing lives out here with these scholarships. One of the young men who received a scholarship, he gave such a touching testimony. Oh my God, everybody was in tears, you know. Him say boy, him start UA back in 2012, but the glitz and the glamour of social media caught his eye, and he dropped. Him never there pay attention, and he never business, and he dropped out of school. Ended up that boy things never there go so good. He met up on hard times, and he ended up getting a son, but now the money, and the son was removed from him. And he said that boy, he has not seen his son in 3 years. He said though his father did not give up on him, and he enrolled or re-enrolled into in UA, in the UA program in 2024. He said, well, he had enough money to pay the school fee, yes, and only part of it, yes, but he never have nowhere to stay, never have nowhere to live really. And so he used to sleep in the library, studying at the library, and all of them something there. And me I tell him, say one of the time all rain come wet him up out that door, and me tell his story was so touching. Even through all of that hardship, he still managed to study and maintain a 4.0 GPA. Now, to some people, a 4.0 GPA doesn't mean much or doesn't mean anything. But just go research a 4.0 GPA, and GPA means grade point average, and understand the work and the sacrifices that goes into maintaining that, and while struggling, while wetting up in the rain, while I go through so many things emotionally, psychologically, him still maintain. And this year he was able to get a scholarship. So now he has a CBU scholarship, so he not have to worry about payment, not have to worry about, you know, fees and all of that kind of thing. And I'm just so happy for him. And so guys, your support for this 5K means a lot, because it literally changes lives. The more people come to the 5K, the more people sign up, the more people donate, the more students we can help. And that is why it is my passion and my calling, you know, to help and to give a scholarship or two every year. Remember, me not have it at 5,000 black me there, so I look right now. Me not have it.
Yeah, put that in the comment section what you think about that. No, if you want to hear Annie ask RT Boss for assistance, I'm getting the children, you know what to do. Swing by my next channel in front of you and do the right thing. Subscribe and hit the notification bell and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I drop the latest in the dancehall news, pieces, reviews, and gossip. People pick up on themselves. Bless.